Okay, so let us continue with the calculation ng ating latent heat. So I have here a problem kung saan kukunin mo yung latent heat niya coming from the initial and final states. Ito yung second problem. Okay, the problem goes like this. A 60 kilogram air per minute, so flow, yan, mass flow ng air, at 42 degrees dry bulb and 20 degrees dew point temperature are passed across a cooling coil. The final temperature after the cooling coil is 11 degrees Celsius at saturated condition. So, wala kang ibang content dyan. Saturated siya. 100% ang kanyang RH. Ibig sabihin, kapag sinaturate mo siya, 100% ang kanyang RH. Compute the mass of water vapor condensed in kilogram vapor per second and the latent heat transferred, yung QL, in kilojoule per second. Hindi na ginawang kilowatt. If the barometric condition is standard, also determine the initial and final volume of air in cubic meter per minute. So, the best way for you to understand the problem is to draw the entire diagram. Okay, let us go. So, ibig sabihin dito, passed across a cooling coil. Ano ba yung cooling coil na yon? 'Di ba? Ano ba yung nagpapalamig diyan? Siyempre, meron ka refrigeration system. If this is the ducting, okay, that is the duct. Ito yung cooling coil mo. Saan galing yung cooling coil na yan? Siyempre, yung cooling coil mo is simple vapor compression system. Okay? Ganyan lang po kasimple yun. Tapos ano susunod sa condenser? Yun nga, expansion valve, throttling process. Okay, yung cooling coil mo, simply is the evaporator. Ngayon, ngayon, meron kang nag-pass dito at point 1 at meron kang point 2 initial state and then final state. At point 1, meron kang temperature dry bulb na 42 degrees Celsius. And then meron kang dew point that is 20 degrees Celsius. Now, meron kang mass of air, yun air. Yung mass mo dito is nakalagay dyan 60 kilogram per minute. Now, if this is your cooling coil, pagdating ng itong boundary na ito, this is 2, okay? Nagkaroon ng changes dyan. Ang given sa'yo is meron kang dry bulb temperature here. If this is 1, this is 1, this is 2. Where 11 degrees Celsius yung final state mo. And sinabi dito na ano siya, after passing to the coil, it is saturated at that condition. Ibig sabihin, kapag naging saturated ang condition mo, therefore, RH is equal to 100%. Any other way, either way, hindi sinabi sa iyo na that is what? That is not saturated. Okay? Hindi mo pwedeng assume na saturated siya. Okay? Unless magbigay pa ng isang condition. Kung wet bulb or dew point pa rin. Pero commonly, kapag hindi na sinabi, as is sinasabi parati dyan na saturated na after passing the coil. Okay? Now, this is commonly a diagram of an AHU. What is an AHU? Air handling unit. Meron kang duct, meron kang cooling coil, meron kang cooling system. Cooling system mo is simple refrigeration system. Okay? And it is adiabatically sealed. Ibig sabihin, no heat added coming outside of the what? Coming outside of the system. This is adiabatically insulated. Ibig sabihin, no heat gain, no heat loss. Insulated. Insulated tuloy. Insulated. Yan. Yung system mo. No heat added from outside, no heat coming from inside. Okay? Ayan na yung diagram mo. Now, we state the conditions. Okay? Point 1. Merong ang dry bulb dyan, 40 degrees Celsius. Meron ang wet bulb. Paano makuha yung wet bulb? Sige nga, given yung, dew point. Na anong dew point mo yan? 20 degrees Celsius. Sige nga, dun ka sa app, punta ka sa app. Lagay mo lang yung dalawa. Makuha na natin lahat ng conditions. Okay, go to the app. Where's the app? Ayun. So, check mo muna to. Dry bulb tsaka dew point yung binigay sa'yo. This is 40. 42. Pardon me. And this is 20. Andito na lahat yan. And then, press submit. Ngayon, nandito yung plotting ng point niya. Okay? This is the point. Now, ambient mo, humidity ratio. Humidity ratio is, divide mo na lang ng 1,000 to. Okay? Hanapin muna natin yung wet bulb. Ano yung wet bulb niya? Going back. The wet bulb is 26.045. Malapit. Nandito banda. Pag nag-psychrometric kayo, pwede rin yan. Pero mas mabisa na to, mabilis mag-compute. 26.045 degrees Celsius. How about yung enthalpy? How about yung specific humidity? How about yung specific volume? How about yung RH? Hanapin na natin lahat siya. Okay? H1 muna. Asaan? Okay. H1. Enthalpy, 80.267. 80.267 kilojoule per kilogram. Ito na gamitin natin, ha. Yung specific humidity, divide mo lang ng 1,000 to. Relative humidity, humidity ratio. Ano ba yung humidity ratio? Ito. Ito yun. Divide mo ng 1,000, 14.755. 14.755 divide by 1,000. The answer is 0.014755. 0.014755. Ito lang gamitin nating app, ha. Kilogram vapor per kilogram air. How about the specific volume? Okay. Specific volume, ayun, 0.914. Correct? 0.914. 0.914 meter cube per kilogram air yan. Per kilogram air. RH, mababa ang RH niyan. Relative humidity, 28.494. 28.494%. How about yung condition 2? Ang binigay sa'yo is 100% dry bulb to. That is 11 degrees Celsius. Malamig na siya. Tapos RH is saturated 100%. Hanapin natin C. Dry bulb. Hindi. Dew point. Wet bulb. 2. Temperature dew point. 2. H2. W2. Omega 2. V2. RH2. Hindi na pala kailangan. RH. Ano pa? Nandito na eh. Ayan na. Okay na yan. So, pindutin mo ulit yung app. Okay? Dito ka ulit. Input ka ulit. 11. Tapos, relative humidity, 100. Tapos, submit. Pa-plot niya ulit yan dyan. Okay. So, the humidity ratio is H muna. Yung H. Enthalpy. Where's the enthalpy? 31.727. 31.727 kilojoule per kilogram. How about the wet bulb and the dew point? Wet bulb. 11 dew point. Saturated, pare-pareho yan. Okay? Sinabi saturated, dry bulb, wet bulb, and dew point, equal lahat yan. Hindi nyo kailangan na hanapin pa. So, specific humidity. Specific humidity is 0.008197. 0.008197 kilogram vapor per kilogram air. How about specific volume? Specific volume is 0.816. Excuse me. 0.816 meter cube per kilogram. Okay na yan. So, you have all the values for point 1 and point 2. So, analysis natin dito. Ang analysis natin dyan, tingnan mo. The analysis. What is the analysis? Yung meron kang air, okay, dumaan dun sa conditioned space. Okay? Yung air na yun, it gave off the heat. Okay? Inabsorb nung cooling coil. Nung system. Cooling coil. Inabsorb nito. And then, nagkaroon ka ng condensate. From point 1 tapos point 2. Mass nung water vapor dito, water vapor, 1, meron ka rin dito mass ng water vapor, 2. Yan. Yan yung analysis natin. Now, by material balance, di ba? And mass can never be created nor destroyed. Constant ang mass throughout the system. So, the mass in is equal to mass out. Di ba? Ito yung ating general rule. Or general law. Okay? And, base sa water vapor analysis, okay? Yung mass ng water vapor sa 1 will be equal to yung yung mass ng condensate plus, ano ba yung natanggal dyan? Itong dalawa, condensate tsaka ito. Ito yung pumasok. Mass balance eh. May mass ka dito, mass na lumabas, meron ka ring mass of the condensate. Okay? Yun yung natanggal na tubig dun sa hangin. Plus mass ng water vapor 2. Yan. Now, dun sa malalaman na natin ngayon dito, yung mass ng condensate. So, the mass of the condensate is equal to yung mass ng water vapor 1 minus mass ng water vapor 2. This is the equation. Mass of the, hindi condition space to condensate. Okay? This is the condensable material. Yan yun. Okay? Now, yan yung sa water vapor. How about the dry air? Sa dry air naman tayo pupunta. DA for dry air, water vapor ito. For dry air, meron ka dito yung air mo. Tapos, nandyan yan. Yung mass nung air, 1. Tapos lalabas dito, mass nung air, 2. Air lang naman to eh. Okay? Air lang yan. So, non-condensate material ang pag-uusapan natin dito ha. Non-condensate, yung walang ipapawis or ilalabas na tubig. So, yung mass in is equal to mass out. Ganun pa rin yun. Now, ibig sabihin, yung mass na pumasok dito and yung mass na pumasok dito are equal to one another. Oh, ayan na yun. Then, if equal tong dalawang to, then therefore, equal yan sa 60 kilogram nung vapor in every minute na nag-pass through the system. Now, we can say that yung ating specific humidity is equal to the mass ng water vapor divide by mass ng air na nag-pass out through our system. Okay? Kaya nga naging kilogram vapor per kilogram air. Check. Okay? Hmm. Now, sinasabi natin, coming from this, okay, ayan o, yung mass ng condition condensate is equal to M nung water vapor 1 minus M nung water vapor 2. And that is equal to, di ba, yung mass ng air, tandaan nyo pa sa QL mass ng air multiplied to yung specific humidity SH1 1 minus yung mass ng air 2 tapos yung specific humidity 2. Yan yung condition na yan. Okay? Now, further simplifying, okay, mag-a-arrive tayo dito that yung mass ng condensate mo is equal to the mass ng air tapos yung kanilang specific humidities. So, SH ni 1 minus SH ni 2. Ba't naging ganyan, sir? Di ba yung mass ng air 1 and mass ng air 2 ay equal? Ayun, ayun mga beso. Ayun, equal sila. Therefore, yung mass na condition na naman, condensate is equal to mass of the air multiplied to the difference between the specific humidity nung una, initial, minus specific humidity of the final. Okay? Makahanap na natin yung mass ng condensate. That is equal to mass of air, 60 kilogram vapor per minute. Air na rin to, pwede na yan. Tapos, yung SH ni 1, asan yun? Ayun, 0.014755. 0.014755 minus yung kay 2. Nakuha natin. 0.008197. 0.008197 kilogram vapor per kilogram air. Ito, kinonsider na natin tong air para ma-cancel siya. Tapos, ang kailangan kasi dito is in seconds. 1 minute in every second. 1 minute every 60 seconds in every minute. 1 minute, 60 seconds. Okay. Cancel natin yung minute, cancel natin yung minute. Therefore, ang sagot dyan will be 60 times 0.014755 minus 0.008197. Di-divide pa natin ng 60. So, the answer is 0.12358 kilograms of vapor in every second. That is the mass of the condensate. Okay? How about anong hinahanap pa? Yung isa, na-solve na natin, the condensate. Ano hinahanap dyan? The mass of water vapor. Okay na to. Check. The latent heat transferred, kilojoule per second, and then the initial and final volume. How about we go with volume of air? Okay? For the volumes. Yung volume ng air 1 is yung mass ng air 1 tapos yung specific volume ni 1. Nakuha naman natin yun cubic meter per minute, diba? So, mass ng air, 60 kilogram air per minute multiplied to yung V1, 0.914. 0.914 meter cube per kilogram air. O, yung volume ni air 2, sunod-sunod ko na lang. Volume of air 2, M ni air 2, tas specific volume ni 2. 60 kilogram air per minute. Tapos, yung sa 2, 0.816. 0.816 meter cube in every kilograms na air. Simultaneous, solve na natin. Okay. So, 60 times 0.914. The answer is 54.84. 54.84 meter cube per minute. How about yung isa? 0.816. The answer is 48.96. 48.96 meter cube per minute. So we solved for the volumes. Okay. Now, how about the QL? The latent heat. QL. Di ba ang QL natin is equal to yung mass ng air times the specific QL, specific latent heats, ni 1 minus specific latent heat ni 2. Initial and final. Initial, final. Now, hahanapin muna natin yung mga HS nila. Anong gagamitin natin? Yung approximate na lang. Okay? Di ba ang QL kasi, yung maliliit, unahin mo to, yung QL 1 is equal to SH1 multiplied to HS1. At yung QL2 is SH2 tapos yung HS2. Anong formula meron tayo sa HS? Di ba yung 25O2 plus 1.88 multiplied to the dry bulb? O, pwede natin masolve itong QL na itong dalawa. So, QL1 is equal to SH, okay? Specific humidity. Nung 1. Ito, 0.014755. Okay. 0.014755 kilogram vapor per kilogram air. Tapos, yung HS, buo. 2502 plus 1.88 multiplied to 40 kilojoule per kilogram vapor. QL1 is equal to yung QL2, sunod natin. 0.00816 kilogram vapor per kilogram air. 2502 plus 1.88 times ano yung dry bulb niya? Saturated. So, 11 kilojoule per kilogram vapor. So, masolve na natin. 0.014755 multiplied to 2502 plus 1.88 times 40. The answer is 38. 38.026586 kilojoule per kilogram air. That is QL1. Yung QL2, ulitin mo na lang, 0.00816. Tapos yung temperature is 11. The answer is 20. 20.5850 69 kilojoule per kilogram air. That is QL2. Now we can find yung latent heat. this one. Okay? So, the latent heat, therefore, QL is equal to, yung mass ng air, 60 kilogram, kilogram air per minute. Multiply na natin ng 1 minute in every 60 seconds. Tapos, yung QL1. QL1 is 38.026586 minus 20.585069 kilojoule in every kilogram air. Cancel to, cancel to. So, ang lalabas dyan, dapat kilowatts. Okay? Kilojoule per second eh. Kilowatts na rin yan. Yan. So, 60 divided by 60. So, 1 na lang yun. Okay na yun. 38.026586 minus 20.585069. The answer is 17.51. QL is equal to 17.5197 kilowatts. Approximately 17.5 kilowatts. That is the latent heat. Okay? So, I think na-solve ko lahat siya. Madali lang na maintindihin. Napakadali. Sobra. Okay? All you have to do is to plot it. Ayusin yun sa app. Or, kung wala kayo nung app, gamitin nyo yung Steam tables, isa-isahin nyo. Saglit lang po isolve yan. Okay? I hope meron kayo napulot na bago ngayong araw. And the notes will come out after the video. Okay? I-upload ko muna yung videos and then for your indulgence, ibibigay ko yung notes after this. So that will be all for today. See you next meeting. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.